In the world of pharmacovigilance, processing an individual case safety report is like navigating a complex medical rescue mission. Each step is critical, precise, and designed to transform raw information into actionable safety intelligence. Processing workflow, receipt and triage. When a safety report arrives, it enters a high-stakes screening process. Imagine a gatekeeper examining every detail, asking, is this report valid? Does it contain essential information? How urgent is it? The initial assessment checks fundamental requirements. Is there an identifiable patient, a credible reporter, a suspected drug? The validity check ensures we're not wasting time on incomplete or irrelevant information. Some reports get fast-tracked based on severity. A potential life-threatening reaction takes precedence over a mild expected side effect. Data entry. Next, we meticulously review the source document. Think of this as forensic document analysis. Every field must be precisely completed, every detail scrutinized. Quality checks are embedded throughout, catching inconsistencies, preventing data corruption. Medical review. Here's where science meets detective work. Clinical experts dive deep, assessing the event's medical significance. They verify coding accuracy and, most critically, determine causality. Was the adverse event truly caused by the medication, or was it a coincidence? The final stage transforms our carefully processed information into a regulatory submission. We generate a comprehensive report, submit it to the appropriate authorities, and archive the documentation for future reference. While we can't simulate the entire process here, imagine yourself carefully filling out an ICSR form, methodically entering data into a safety database, and conducting rigorous quality checks. Remember, in pharmacovigilance, precision isn't just important, it's everything. Each report could prevent future harm, save lives, and improve global healthcare. Let's bring ICSRs to life through real-world scenarios. First, we'll examine a straightforward case. Think of it as your starter case. Meet Sarah, a 45-year-old patient who developed a rash 2 days after starting a new antihypertensive medication. Clear onset, single drug, well-documented reaction. This is our simple case. Notice how smoothly we can track causality when variables are limited. Now, let's tackle something more challenging. Consider James, a 62-year-old diabetes patient on multiple medications who experiences dizziness, fatigue, and irregular heartbeat. Which medication is responsible? Could it be an interaction? This is where your detective skills really come into play. In an ideal world, every ICSR would come to us complete and perfect. But in reality, we often face missing pieces of the puzzle. Let's talk strategies. When information is missing, think like an investigator. Could the patient's electronic health record help? Is there a treating physician we could contact? Remember, documentation of your follow-up attempts is just as important as the information itself. Data quality issues? They're like small cracks that could become major problems if not addressed. Let's explore verification methods, cross-referencing medical records, confirming details with reporters, and implementing prevention strategies for future cases. Now let's put your knowledge to the test with some hands-on practice. Imagine you're sitting at your desk, a new ICSR has just arrived. What's your first step? Through our interactive exercises, you'll practice completing ICSR forms with real-world scenarios, identifying common errors that could compromise report quality, and managing multiple cases with competing deadlines. Picture this, a flowchart showing an ICSR's journey from initial receipt to final submission. Each decision point is clearly marked, each quality gate defined. These visual tools will become your roadmap to ICSR excellence. Let's bring it all together. Remember, every ICSR tells a patient's story. Quality isn't just a checkbox, it's our responsibility to patient safety. And the difference between a good report and an excellent one often lies in the details. Think of these as your ICSR toolkit technical guides for when you need precise instructions, regulatory requirements to ensure compliance, and practice tools to sharpen your skills. Remember, every ICSRU process contributes to the larger picture of global drug safety. Your attention to detail today could help protect patients tomorrow.